In this video, we will do exercise 12.2 of chapter Algebraic Expression, Standard 7th. Let us start our exercise 12.2. Now, first question, simplify combining like term. Now, dear student, here we have to simplify by combining the like term. Here the first question is 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. Now first we have to combine all the like term, then we will do addition or subtraction. Now here 21b is there, the like term is negative 20b. The like term means what? The number with a common variable. See here the common variable are b and b. So write down both together, that is 21b minus 20b. Here the sign is negative. Then 32 as it is, it has no common like term. Then positive 7b. Then in next step again you combine this 7b. See here 21b minus 20b. Then write down this 7b all together. Then negative 32 as it is. After rearranging all the terms, all the like term together, now you have to do addition or subtraction. Now here 21 minus 20 gives 1b. That is 21b minus 20b gives 1b, and in that you have to add 7b. That is 1b plus 7b gives 8b. And here this negative 32 you have to keep as it is because it has no like term. Then next one. See, negative z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z. Now here first what I will do, I will try to find the like term of z square. So here 13z square is there, so I had written it first because it is larger than this negative z square. So first I had written 13z square minus z square. Then negative 5z. So find the like term of 5z, that is only the z should be there. So here 15 is there. So write down negative 15z. Dear student, you have to put the sign also with it. If it is negative, you have to put negative sign. Then 7z cube, it has no like term, no other like term, so keep as it is. Then what you will do, you have to make a pair of these two, and it has no pair. Now here 13 is there, here you have to consider it as a 1. It has no coefficient. So 13 minus 1 gives 12. Positive 12 z, and variable you have to write as it is, that is z square. Then negative 5 and negative 15, minus and minus, dear student, we have to add, that is 5 minus 5 and minus 15, that is minus 5 plus minus 15 gives minus 20. So here minus 20 and variable you have to write as it is. Then 7z cube you have to write as it is because it has no other like term. Now the next one, see here third one, p minus in bracket p minus q minus q minus q minus p in bracket. Now dear student, here first we will resolve this bracket. So if any negative sign is there outside the bracket, so whatever the terms inside the bracket, its sign will be changed. So now here p as it is, then while opening this bracket, that is positive p will become negative p, negative q will become positive q. Then write down this negative q as it is. Then here also when you will open this bracket, here there is a negative sign outside the bracket, so this positive q will become negative q and negative p will become positive p. Then after doing such, we have to rearrange all the like term together. So dear student, here as I found, that is p, write down as it is, then negative p as it is, then bring this positive p here, then q here as it is, then negative q and one more negative q, and see if any term possible to cancel. Here positive and negative will get cancelled and p will remain as it is. Then positive and negative q will get cancelled. Then what is left? That's negative q. That is p minus q. Now the next one is 3a minus 2b minus ab minus a minus b plus ab in bracket plus 3ab plus b minus a. Now dear student, again we have to resolve this bracket first. So write down this 3a as it is, negative 2b as it is, negative ab as it is. Now open this bracket. So outside the bracket there is negative sign. So whatever term inside the bracket, so all sign you have to change. That positive a will become negative a while opening the bracket, then negative b will become positive b, positive ab will become negative ab, then plus a 3ab, then plus b, and negative a you have to write as it is. Then find all the like term and rearrange in rearrange together. Now see 3a. So here variable is a. So find the term with a. Here negative a is there, write it over here. Then here one more. A is the negative a, write it over here. So write it together, all together. Then find the like term of b. That is negative 2b, write down first. Then find the variable with b. Only b, dear student. So here that is positive b. And here one more positive b. So write it together. Then ab. So negative AB you have to write over here. Then one more negative AB, here it is, and plus 3AB. So here AB is the variable. So with it coefficient is 3AB. So write it together. Then 3A, then minus A and minus A. Minus minus you have to add, and sign you have to put of minus only. So minus minus plus, sign is of minus. That is minus A plus minus A will give minus 2A. Then here negative 2B and here B plus B will become positive 2B. Then here negative AB plus negative AB, that is negative and negative you have to add. So it will become negative 2AB. Then here positive 3AB, write as it is. Then in the next step 3A minus 2A gives A. Then see here, negative 2B and positive 2b both will get cancelled. Negative 2b plus positive 2b both will get cancelled. Then negative 2ab plus 3ab means from 3ab positive 3ab you have to subtract negative 2ab, means 3 minus 2 will give 1. 1 has no value, so no need to write, and write on that variable as it is. That means your final answer is a plus ab. Now let's see the next sum. 5x square y minus 5x square plus 3yx square minus 3y square plus x square minus y square plus 8y square minus 3y square. Now dear student, here first you have to find the like term of 5x square y. So write down that first term over here, 5x square y, and find the like term of this variable, that is x square y. Find if any term having x square y, here it is x square y. No doubt it is interchange, but you can write, because product of both will give the same result, as multiple of xy or multiple of yx both have the value xy only or yx only. Now so write down 3yx square over here. These are two like term. Then we have to find the like term of negative 5x square. So here I had written x square first, that is plus x square. So its like term is negative 5x square. See here, negative 5x square. Then write down this y square over here. So find it like term, that is negative 3y square. Then one more 3y square, so it is negative 3y square. So write it over here. Then what at the end, what is left, that is here 3y is written. Then 8x square, here it is x, 8xy square. So write down, it has no other pair, no like term, so write down as it is 8x square. So here will add 5x square y plus 3x square y. So you will get 5 plus 3 8. So write down 8x square y. See dear student, here it is x squared y only. So you can rearrange it over here, or no need also, directly you can write, you can add the coefficient and write down this variable x square y. Then x you have to consider as a 1. Then here minus 5 and plus 1. So minus 5 and plus 1 gives negative 4. So negative 4, and write down the variable x square as it is. Then minus 3 and minus 1. So 1 minus 1 plus minus 3 gives minus 7, and the variable, common variable, write down y square. Then the last one is, that is 8x y square, you write down as it is. It has no other like term. We will add 5x square y plus 3x square y. So you will get 5 plus 3 8. So write down 8x square y. See dear student, here it is x squared y only. So you can rearrange it over here, or no need also, directly you can write, you can add the coefficient and write down this variable x square y. Then x you have to consider as a 1. Then here minus 5 and plus 1. So minus 5 and plus 1 gives negative 4. So negative 4, and write down the variable x square as it is. Then minus 3 and minus 1. So 1 minus 1 plus minus 3 gives minus 7, and the variable, common variable, write down y square. Then the last one is, that is 8x y square, you write down as it is. It has no other like term. This is the next sum. 3y square plus 5y minus 4 in bracket minus 8y minus y square minus 4 in another bracket. Now open this bracket. There will be no change in sign, that is 3y square as it is plus 5y minus 4. Then when you will open this bracket, that is the second expression. So outside the bracket there is negative sign. So when you will open the bracket, whatever the sign inside, whatever the term having a inside the bracket, you have to change the sign of each term. So when you will open the bracket, that is negative, that is positive 8y will become negative 8y. Negative y square will become positive y square, and negative 4 will become positive 4. Then after opening the bracket, see if any term possible to cancel, that is positive 4 and negative 4 will get cancelled. Then what we will do, rearrange the like term, that is 3y square, write down this y square beside it, that is common variable, then 5y minus 8y common variable, that is they are like term. Then 3 plus 1, this you have to y square you have to consider, that is 1y square, that is 3 plus 1 4y square, and 5 minus 8 gives 3 y as it is negative 3, that is 5 minus 8, that is 8 is a greater number, so your value or answer will come in negative only. So 4y square minus 3y. Let us start our new question. Add the following. Now here first question is 3mn comma minus 5mn comma 8mn minus 4mn. Now dear student, how to add such? Now what we will do, just we will try to put in pattern. See here what I did, 3mn, then put a plus sign and write down this negative 5mn in bracket. Then in place of comma put plus sign because we are adding all the terms. Then 8mn plus and negative 4mn in bracket. Then what I will do, open the bracket. So plus minus, obviously you are going to get negative 5mn, this plus 8mn as it is, plus minus minus, that is negative mn you will get. Then what you will do, add the positive term first. 3mn plus 8mn gives 11mn. Then negative 5mn plus negative 4mn give negative 9mn. Then 11mn minus 9mn, that is 11 minus 9 gives 2mn. You have to write variable, there will be no change in variable. Then the next one is second one, negative 7mn plus 5 comma 12mn plus 2 comma 9mn minus 8 comma minus 2mn minus 3. Now how to add such? First write all the expression in bracket. So negative 7mn plus 5, put plus sign, plus 12mn plus 2 plus 9mn minus 8 plus negative 2mn minus 3. Then open the bracket. So while opening the bracket, here there will be no change in sign, that is negative 7mn plus 5, then plus 12mn plus 2, then plus 9mn minus 8, then plus negative 2mn minus 3. There will be no change in sign because there is the positive sign outside the bracket. Then what you will do, then try to rearrange all the term. What you have to do, write all the like term together, that is 12mn plus, see here I had taken this positive 12mn first, then a positive 9mn, then negative 7mn over here, and a negative 2mn. Dear student, you can start writing from here also, that is negative 7mn, then 12mn, then 9mn, then negative 2mn. Then whatever is left, that is positive 2 and negative 8, then 5 and negative 3. These are the terms without variable. Then 12 plus 9 gives 21mn, then minus 7mn minus 2mn gives minus 9mn. Then here add positive number first, 2 plus 5 gives 7, and minus 8 plus minus 3 gives minus 11. Then 21mn minus 9mn gives 12mn, and 7 minus 11 gives minus 4. Let us see sum number third. T minus 8tz comma 3tz minus z comma z minus t. So here first you arrange all the expression in bracket. Means in place of comma you have to put plus sign, because we have to add all the expression. So first put t minus 8tz in bracket plus 3tz minus z in bracket plus z minus t in bracket. Then open the bracket, that is t minus 8tz plus 3tz minus z plus z minus t. Then see, whatever is possible to cancel you can cancel, that is positive t and negative t will get cancelled. Negative z and positive z will get cancelled. Now what is left? Negative 8tz plus 3tz. So you have to keep this variable as it is. They are like term. Then minus 8 and plus 3 give minus 5. So write down minus 5tz. Then the next one, fourth one is a plus b minus 3 comma b minus a plus 3 comma a minus b plus 3. Then dear student, here see what you have to do. First put all the expression in bracket, that is a plus b minus 3 in bracket, and in place of comma you have to put plus sign. Then put that another expression, that is b minus a plus 3 in bracket. Then in place of comma you have to put plus sign, that is a minus b plus 3 in bracket. Then open the bracket. So a plus b, because dear student directly you can't write this positive sign over here. First you have to put all the expression in bracket, then you have to open the bracket, that is a plus b minus 3 over here, that plus b minus a plus 3 over here, then plus a minus b plus 3 over here. Then see, whatever is possible to cancel you can cancel, that is negative 3 positive 3 cancel, positive b negative b cancel, negative a positive a cancel, will get cancelled. Then what is left? A plus b plus 3. Write down a plus b plus 3. Then the next one, see here, 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13 comma 18 minus 7x minus 10y plus 8xy minus 4xy. Dear student, what you have to do first? First you have to put all the expression in bracket. This is the first expression, that is 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13 in bracket. Then in place of comma you have to put plus sign because we are adding. Then 18 minus 7x minus 10y plus 8xy in another bracket. Then in place of comma put plus sign, that is 4xy in another bracket. Then open the bracket. There will be a no change in sign. That is 14x as it is, 10y minus 12xy minus 13. Now here no change in sign while opening the bracket, that is 18 minus 7x minus 10y plus 8xy, then plus 4xy. Then what we will do? Then after opening the bracket, what we will do? Rearrange all the like term, that is 14x minus 7x, write down together. Then 10y minus 10y together. Then negative 12xy and positive 8xy together, and 4xy. Then whatever is left, only the term, that is 18 minus 13, write it over here. Then 14x minus 7x gives 7x. Then positive 10y, negative 10y will get cancelled. Then here see negative 12xy and 8 plus 4 is 12 only, that is 12xy. So positive negative 12x and positive 12x, write it over here, positive 12x, and 18 minus 13 is 5. So here see negative 12xy and positive 12xy will get cancelled. So what is left? 7x plus 5. So write it over here, 7x plus 5. Now the sixth sum is 5m minus 70 comma 3n minus 4m plus 2 comma 2m minus 3mn minus 5. Now first you need to put all the expression in bracket, that is 5m minus 7n plus 3n minus 4m plus 2 plus 2m minus 3mn minus 5. Then open the bracket, that is 5m minus 7n plus 3n minus 4m plus 2 plus 2m minus 3mn minus 5. Then what you will do? You need to do is rearrange all the like term, that is 5mn. You can write 4mn over here, or you can write all the positive like term together, that is 2mn. Then you write down negative 4m. Then negative 7n plus 3n, no other n, no other variable with no other number, no other term with variable n. Then what is left? Only the coefficient, only the constant term, that is 2 minus 5, and finally only negative 3mn. It has no other like term, write down as it is. Then 5 plus 2 gives 7, and write down 4m as it is. Or you can directly do addition and subtraction together, and directly you can write 3m. Then 7 minus 7 and plus 3 give minus 4n. 2 minus 5 is minus 3 and minus 3mn as it is. Then 7 minus 4 gives 3. Then negative 4n. Then this 3, negative 3 as it is. Then negative 3mn as it is. It has no, all the term have no other like term. So keep your answer like this only. See the next sum, 4x square y, comma, minus 3x y square, comma, minus 5x y square, comma, 5x square y. So first you need to put all the term in bracket, that is 4x square y plus negative 3x y square plus negative 5x y square plus 5x square y. Then rearrange all the like term, that is 4x square y plus 5x square y, then negative 3x y square plus minus only, that is minus 5x y square. Then positive 4x square y plus 5x square y, that is 4 plus 5 gives 9, variable as it is, write on this variable as it is, as x square y. Then minus 3x y square and minus 5x square x y square. So minus 3 and minus 5 will give minus 8x y square. Then the next sum is 3p square q square minus 4pq plus 5, comma, minus 10p square q square, comma, 15 plus 9pq plus 7p square q square. Then you need to put all the expression in bracket, that is 3p square q square minus 4pq plus 5 plus minus 10p square q square plus 15 plus 9pq plus 7p square q square. Then open the bracket, that is 3pq p square q square minus 4pq plus 5, that is positive and negative, that is will become negatively, that is negative 10 p square q square plus 15 plus 9pq plus 7p square q square. Then arrange the like term together, that is rearrange the like term, that is 3pq p square q square plus 7p square q square. Then from there that is negative 10 p square q square, write down all the like term together. Then minus 4pq and plus 9pq. Then what is left, that is positive 5 and positive 15. Then add 3 plus 7, that is 10 p square q square. Then write on this 10 p square q square, negative 10 p square q square as it is. Then minus 4pq and plus 9pq gives 9, minus 4 and plus 9 gives 5pq. Then 5 plus 15 give 20. Then here positive 10 p square q square and negative p square, negative 10 p square q square. The plus minus will get cancelled, and what is left, 5pq and plus 20. Then the next one is ab minus 4a, comma 4b minus ab, comma 4a minus 4b. Now put all the expression in bracket, that is ab minus 4a plus 4b minus ab plus 4a minus 4b. Then open the bracket, that is ab minus 4a plus 4b minus ab plus 4a minus 4b. Then see whatever is possible to cancel it, that is ab minus positive ab and negative ab cancel, minus 4a and plus 4a cancel, positive 4b and negative 4b cancel, and what is left, nothing, that is you can write 0 also. Then the next one is, that is x square minus y square minus 1, comma y square minus 1 minus x square, comma 1 minus x square minus y square. Then write down all the expression in bracket, that is x square minus y square minus 1 bracket plus y square minus 1 minus x square in bracket, then plus 1 minus x square minus y square. Then open the bracket, that is x square minus y square minus 1 plus y square minus 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x square minus y square. Then see anything possible to cancel, you can cancel it, that is x square, positive x square and negative x square, then negative y square and positive y square, then negative 1 and positive 1. Then what is left, that is negative x square, negative y square and negative 1 is left. Now let us see question number 3, subtract. See, now dear student, here negative 5y square from y square means we have to subtract this negative 5y square from y square. So when you will subtract, see, you have to write this y square first. Then from that we are subtracting this negative 5y square. That is, you have to put minus now. Minus and write on this term in bracket, that is negative 5y square. So now when you will open the bracket, you have to change the sign. Whatever the term inside the bracket, that is negative 5y square, will become positive 5y square. That is minus and minus will get plus. So y square plus 5y square, that is, you have to consider it here as a 1. That is 1 plus 5 gives 6. That is 6y square. Then 6xy from, you have to subtract 6xy from negative 12xy. So when you will subtract, that is 6xy from negative 12xy, that is negative 12xy. You have to subtract that. That is subtract minus 6xy. That is minus minus will get plus. That is 12 plus 6 is 18. That is minus minus plus sign of minus 18xy. Then a minus b, you have to subtract from a plus b. So you have to write a plus b first. Then from that you have to subtract a minus b. That is, write on it. It is two term in the expression. That is, you have to write in bracket. That is minus a minus b. So when you will open the bracket, that is a plus b minus a. You have to change the sign. That positive a will become negative and negative b will become positive. So when you will open the bracket, you have to change the sign because there is a negative sign outside the bracket. Now see, if anything possible to cancel, you can cancel. That is positive a and negative a will can cancel, and positive b, it is not possible to cancel. That is b plus b will give 2b. Then the next one is a in bracket b minus 5. You have to subtract from b in bracket b 5 minus a. So how to subtract? So you have to write this expression first. That is b in bracket 5 minus a. You have to subtract a b minus 5. That is 5 into b is 5b, and you have to resolve this bracket first. That is, you have to multiply b with both the term. That is, b into 5 is 5b and b into a is ab. Then a into b is ab and a into 5, that is negative into negative is positive. That is, a into 5 is 5a. Then 5, write down these no terms are like, see here, so write down 5a first, then 5b first, then here ab and ab, that is both are like term. That is minus ab and minus ab give minus 2ab. That is minus minus plus sign of minus. Then the next one is minus m square plus 5mn. You have to subtract from 4mn minus 3mn plus 8. So you have to write 4mn minus 3mn plus 8 in bracket. You have to subtract this minus m square plus 5mn from it. So write down in bracket. Then when you will open the bracket, that is 4mn as it is, minus 3mn as it is, plus 8mn 8 as it is. Then when you will open this bracket, there is a minus sign outside the bracket. That is negative m square will become positive. Positive 5mn will become negative 5mn. Then what we will do, that is you have to subtract 4. You have to now rearrange all the like term. 4m square plus m square. Write it together. Then minus 3mn and minus 5mn. Write it together. Then 8 as it is. Then 4 plus 1 give 5, that is 5mn, and minus 3mn and minus 5mn, that is minus minus plus, so 8mn and plus 8. Okay, now minus x square plus 10x minus 5, you have to subtract it from 5x minus 10. So write down 5x minus 10 first, then you have to subtract this minus x square plus 10 minus 5 in another bracket. Put a minus sign because we have to subtract this expression from 5x minus 10. Then write down 5x minus 10 as it is. Then when you will open this bracket, so you have to change the sign of each term. That is minus x square will become positive x square, 10x will become negative 10x, and negative 5 will become positive 5. Then write down 5x and try to rearrange all the like terms. That is 5x and minus 10x you have to write together. Then x square, it has no like term. Then 5 minus 10. Then what you will do, 5 minus 10 give minus 5. X square write down as it is, plus 5 and minus 10, that is minus 5. Then rearrange all the term. That is x square first, then minus 5x, then minus 5. Okay, now see, let's see the next one. 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square, you have to subtract from 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. So you have to write this expression first, that is 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square first, write down in bracket. Then from this expression you have to subtract the first expression, that is 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square. Then open the bracket. So there will be no change in over here. So write down as it is 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. Then open this bracket. So there will be a change in sign, that is positive 5a square will become negative, negative 7ab will become positive, and positive 5b square will become negative 5b square. Then what we will do, then rearrange all the expression, all the term, like term, that is 3ab plus 7ab, then minus 2a square, then minus 5a square, then minus 2b square and minus 5b square. Then 3 plus 7 gives 10ab, and minus minus plus, that is minus 2 and minus 5 give minus 7 a square as it is. Then minus 2 minus 5 gives minus 7 b square as it is. Then the next one is that is 4pq minus 5q square minus 3pq. You have to subtract from 5pq p square plus 3q square minus pq. So you have to write this second expression first in bracket, that is 5p square plus 3q square minus pq, and you have to subtract, we are subtracting this expression from this. So write down this expression in bracket, that is minus 4pq minus 5q square minus 3pq square. Then open the bracket. There will be no change over here. So write down as it is 5p square plus 3q square minus pq. When you will open this bracket, there will be a change in sign, that is positive 4pq will become negative, negative pq square will become positive, and negative 3p square will become positive 3p square. Then rearrange all the like term, that is 5p square plus 3p square, then 3q square plus 5q square, and minus pq and minus 4pq. Then 5 plus 3, that is 8p square as it is. Then 5q square plus 3q square plus 5q square, that is 8q square. And here minus minus plus, that is you have to consider here as a 1. The 1 plus 4 is 5 minus 5pq. This is the next sum, question number 4. Okay. What should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? Now the required expression, now what should be added to this to obtain this? So what we need to do is, we have to subtract this expression from this. We have to subtract that x square plus xy plus y square from 2x square plus 3xy. So write down this expression first, that is 2x square plus 3xy minus x square plus xy plus y square. Then write down your bracket and open the bracket. So when there will be no change in sign over here, then when you will change the second expression, there will be a change, because outside it negative sign is there. So positive x square will become negative, positive x square will become negative, and positive y square will become negative y square. Then rearrange all the like term, that is 2x square minus x square, write it together. Then 3xy and minus xy together, and only y square is left. Then 2 minus 1, that is 1 only, x square, 1x square. Then 1 has no value, no need to write, only write down x square. Then 3 minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2xy. Then minus y square as it is, here it will come 2xy. Now the next one, what should be subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10 to get minus 3a plus 7b plus 16? Now dear student, here what should be subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10 to get minus 3a plus 7b plus 16? So what we need to do is, we have to subtract these 3a plus 7b plus 16 from 2a plus 8b plus 10. So write down this expression first, 2a plus 8b plus 10, then subtract this 3a plus negative 3a plus 7b plus 16 in another bracket. Open the bracket, that is there will be no change, that is 2a plus 8b plus 10 as it is. Then outside the bracket negative sign is there, so negative 3a will become positive, positive 7b will become negative, and positive 16 will become negative. Then arrange the like term, that is 2a plus 3a, 2a plus 3a, write it together. Then 8b and negative 7b together. Then 10 minus 16 together. Then 2 plus 3 is 5a. Then 8b minus 7b is b, and 10 minus 16 is negative 6. This is how we have to solve the sum. Now the next sum is, what should be taken away from 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 to obtain minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20? Therefore, the required expression, we have to subtract the second expression from the first expression. So write on this whole expression in bracket, then the second expression in bracket, and put a minus sign over here. Then open the bracket, there will be a no change over here, no change in sign. But while opening the second bracket, there will be a change in all the term because there is a minus sign outside the bracket. So negative x square will become positive, negative will become positive, positive will become negative, positive will become negative. Then what you need to do is 3x square, rearrange all the like term, 3x square and x square, that is 3x square and x square, write it together. Then negative 4y and y, write it together. Then 5xy and negative 6xy, write it together. And positive 20 and negative 20 will get cancelled. Then 3 you have to consider here as a 1, 3 plus 1, 4x square. Then minus 4 and plus 1, that is will come minus 3y square. Then 5 minus 6, that is minus 1xy, 1 no need to write down, negative xy. Now let us see the last sum. From the sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y minus 11, we have to subtract 3x minus y minus 11. Means we have to make an addition of these two expressions, and from that we have to subtract the last expression. So resulting expression, write down this first and second expression in bracket in sum of both expression. Then from that we have to subtract the last expression, that is write down, put a negative sign outside the bracket. Then open this bracket, there will be a no change in sign, that is 3x minus y plus 11 minus y and minus 11 will remain as it is. Then while opening this last bracket, there is a minus sign over here, so you have to change the sign of each term whatever is there inside the bracket. So positive 3x will become negative, negative will become positive, negative will become positive. Then rearrange all the like term, that is 3x minus 3x, write it together. Then negative y and positive y, write it together. Then minus 11 plus 11 and plus 11, write it together. Then positive 3x and negative 3x will get cancelled. Then negative y and positive y will get cancelled. Then negative 11 and positive 11 will get cancelled. What is left? Negative y and positive 11. So we can see these are answer. Now the last sum in that, see here, from the sum of 4 plus 3x and 5 minus 4x plus 2x square, we have to subtract the sum of 3x square minus 5x and minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Means from the sum of this we have to subtract the sum of this. Means we have to make a sum of these two expressions, so write down in bracket 4x plus 3x plus 5 minus 4x minus 2x plus 2x square. Then from this you have to subtract the sum of these two, that is 3x square minus 5x in one bracket plus minus x square plus 2x plus 5 in another bracket. Then 4 plus 3x in one bracket plus 5 minus 4x, when you will open the bracket there will be no change in over here, so plus 2x square. Then when you will open this another bracket, that is 3x square minus 5x, and over here there will be a no change in sign, that is negative x will remain as it is, positive 2x and plus 5 as it is. When you will open the big bracket, again here there will be a no change in sign, so write down as it is. But here you have to change the sign of each term whatever is there inside the bracket, because there is a negative sign outside the bracket. So positive 3x will become negative, negative 5x will become positive, negative x square will become positive, positive 2x will become negative, positive 5 will become negative. Then positive 5 and negative 5 will get cancelled. Then rearrange all the like term, that is 3x minus 4x and plus 5x, write it all together. Then this minus 2x also. Then 2x square minus 3x square and x square, write it all together. Then what is left? Only 4 is left, so write down 4 over here. Then here see here add both the positive term, that is 3x plus 5x give 8x minus 4x, that is 8x minus 4x and minus 2x, means 3 plus 5 8 and minus 4 plus minus 2 is minus 6, so 8 minus 6 is 2, so write down 2x. Then here see negative 3x square is there and positive 2x square and 1x square, so 3 plus 1 you have to consider here as a 1x square, 3 plus 1 is 3, that is positive 3 and negative 3, that is positive 3x square and negative 3x square, all will get cancelled. then what is left? Only 4 is left. Positive 4, so write it over here, positive 4. So this is your answer, resulting answer.